got some kind of exciting news here for you guys. I've picked up a new sponsor, I guess you could say. Emmanuelonline.com contacted me to ask me if I'd be interested in being an affiliate for them. I'm going to be doing an email. I'm going to be doing a video on their website, and they have over 500,000 repair manuals for everything from any kind of car or truck, motorcycle, lawnmowers, even washing machines, I believe. So anyway, there'll be a link in the description, an Emmanuel Online link, where you can get, I believe you're going to get a discount. Yeah, it's going to be like 20-25% off if you use my affiliate link when you go through there to purchase your Emmanuel Online. From what I see so far, it looks pretty interesting and pretty thorough. So anyway, check that link out, and I'm going to be doing a video describing that and how to download your video. Hey, what's up, my friends? This is Jay, Our Simple Adventures. I'm in the 06 Grand Cherokee WK, and I'm headed over to my friend Heff, who owns Heff's Automotive here in Phoenix. He's a mobile mechanic, and then he works out of his garage. But I'm going to have him diagnose these lights here. I've got, maybe that's him calling now. Anyway, hopefully you can see this. I got the check engine light on, and I just had AutoZone pull a code on that, and it's a P0456, which is an emissions code. But you can see the traction control light is on, and also most of the time the EAS, the BAS, whatever is on too. And that's what I'm really having Heff scan for, to see if there's any shorts or what's going on with that, because the anti-lock brakes light is not on. So we're thinking it's not a tire or a speed sensor on one of the wheels. So anyway, I'm headed over to Heff's. We will be right back. Okay, guys. Yeah, this is Heff's Automotive. I guess if you're in the valley here, anywhere in the valley or somewhat close to North Phoenix, Heff would be glad to help you. So he's got it plugged into his. Heff is a master mechanic.
We got an 06 Jeep Grand Cherokee today. Basically what's going on, trash control light is illuminating on the dash, and the EPS BAS light is actually illuminating. Now, sometimes the actual ABS light will appear as well. So if it's going to be that light, the ABS light, brake light, and the trash control light basically all tie in together. So we did a full system scan on the vehicle, and what we came up with was the steering angle sensor. Basically, the steering system itself is not aligned when the steering wheel is in the straight position. The steering angle sensor on this vehicle is on the steering column. So the whole steering column has to be removed on this Jeep in order to replace the steering angle sensor.
So whereabouts is it located on here?
So basically the steering angle sensor is basically in the dead center of the steering column. Once you remove the panel and basically undo all the wiring that's up underneath and unhook it from the steering knuckle, the whole steering column comes out, and you basically slide it on and off from the actual steering assembly itself. So it's not a quick, easy fix, but it's definitely fixable without taking to a shop. The biggest thing is, once you remove the whole steering assembly, you got to make sure that you keep the steering wheel centered. If this thing spins around, you're going to ruin the internal clock spring inside the actual horn assembly, airbag assembly. If it spins and you don't count the revolutions on when it spins, you will damage the internal components inside here. So like I said, once you pull this off, make sure you keep the steering wheel and the whole assembly one piece. Try not to turn the actual steering wheel. If you do, just make sure how many turns it was from center of the housing versus the actual steering wheel. So that's crucial.
Okay, how dangerous? Is it unsafe to drive it with something wrong with the steering angle sensor?
The steering angle sensor, basically, it's not going to harm anything, but the only thing is, when those lights illuminate, you're not going to know if there's any potential damaging codes that are underneath it. Once those lights illuminated, they're illuminated. Now, you know, you've got the ABS system with the control module itself, ABS control module, that can cause, you know, issues as far as braking. You'll hear like a humming noise or vibration in your brake pedal. So it's good to have your lights off so you don't know there's any other codes underneath versus, you know, this, the check engine light came on, and obviously his traction control light and his EPAS light came on, and there was only one code. But like I said, in the future, they stay on. You could potentially have further codes that you won't know about. So it's good to replace the components and clear everything out and make sure there's no lights on.
Okay, just an estimate. What would you charge to do this, to do that steering?
So the removing the steering wheel angle, I mean, just to remove the assembly itself is about 3.5 hours, you know, 65 bucks an hour. So it's not too awful bad in labor, but the steering angle sensor itself, it's electronic. You want to get a dealer item. Anything electrical on newer vehicles from, like, you know, 05-ish on to newer, you want to go with a dealer item. If you go aftermarket, 90% of the time, they just don't correspond with the computer that it's fixated on. So it's vital to use a proper sensor or proper electronic part when it's dealing with these newer vehicles. Vehicles in the 90s, it's not as crucial, but with the newer vehicles, communication is huge, it's vital. So other than that, yeah, just got to tear it down, and once we tear it down, they'll be in the second video, and we'll show you how to basically remove the steering angle sensor.
All right, Heff, I mean, you want to give a phone number in case anybody's in the valley here?
Yes, if you're in Northeast Phoenix, my number is 602-303-0030, and I'm the owner of Heff's Automotive.
All right, cool. Thanks, Heff. Okay, guys, so that was Heff. If you're in the area, definitely give him a call. Even if you just need a diagnostic like that, then you want to do it yourself. Anyway, hey, appreciate every single one of you guys. We just went over 1,000 subscribers, which means now we're waiting for YouTube to approve the monetization. Love it. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. I want to keep doing videos that help everybody, and I want to get back to our camping and adventure videos too, because that's, you know, why I started this channel. So anyway, love you guys. Share this video with a like-minded person, and or somebody who likes camping like that. So anyway, see you guys next time.